Introducing the SE912 horizontal bandsaw from Dake. The SE912 horizontal bandsaw provides accurate cutting with a vibration-free cast table bed, heavy steel base, horizontally mounted guide arms, and adjustable blade guides and rollers. Offering a 9-inch solid round cutting capacity and 9 by 12-inch flat material cutting capacity with wet or dry cutting. Quickly and easily change material with a quick release vise and hand wheel action. The SE912 horizontal bandsaw has a hydraulic control for feeding stock at variable rates and a head that can lock at any height, offering many cutting options. A base with easy rolling wheels provides effortless movement of the bandsaw around the shop. A convenient chip brush, storage in base, and low voltage controls round out this rugged portable bandsaw. For more information on the SE912 horizontal bandsaw and to view our full line of metalworking bandsaws, visit dakecorp.com today.